What's going on, everyone? This is Dustin from Wet Paint Auto Detailing. Just showing you this really poor quality film that was installed on this person's car. They have now come to us to get it fully removed. This vehicle is not even that old, so for a film to turn like this within a couple years is definitely crazy. So there's definitely some shops out there using some really poor quality film. This kind of highlights the importance of not going with the cheapest option when you're looking at doing film on your vehicle. So we're gonna get this all removed for this customer and put some actual good quality Excel film on. All right, if you're in the Roseville area looking to have film done on your car and you wanna make sure it doesn't turn out like this after a couple of years, give us a call. Wet Paint Auto Detailing, 916-918-2289. Thanks for watching.